Many learners use lo siento in situations where native speakers don't. Today we'll fix that with natural, everyday alternatives. Perdón, ¿puedo pasar? Use perdón when you interrupt someone or need to get through a space. It's a light, quick apology. Con permiso. Use this when you walk between people or need space. It's polite, not emotional. Disculpa, ¿tienes un minuto? Use disculpa to get someone's attention. Disculpe is the formal version, perfect in shops, restaurants, or public places. No fue mi intención. Use this when you made a real mistake. It shows true regret without sounding dramatic. Gracias por esperar. Instead of saying, I'm sorry, I'm late, thank the person. It sounds positive and confident. Gracias por tu paciencia. Use this when someone waited longer than usual. It's polite and avoids the sorry loop. Uy, perdón. Use this for tiny accidents, a small bump, brushing past someone, stepping on a foot. Una disculpa por el retraso. Use this when you are delayed and the situation is formal, like at work, in an office, or when writing a professional messages. It's a polite, respectful way to apologize without sounding overly emotional. Qué pena. This expresses empathy, not guilt. Use it when someone tells you something unfortunate. Perdón por la molestia. Use this when you interrupt someone or need help. It's a very common, polite way to apologize. Much softer and more natural than lo siento. Now it's quiz time. You are in a crowded hallway and need to walk through. What do you say? Lo siento mucho. Con permiso. Qué pena. You say, con permiso. You bump into someone lightly on the bus. What do you say? Uy, perdón. Gracias por esperar. Una disculpa por el retraso. You can say, uy, perdón. You want to get a shop employee's attention. What do you say? ¿Todo bien? No fue mi intención. Disculpe, ¿tiene un minuto? Disculpe, ¿tiene un minuto? Thank you, you did it.